Welcome back viewers, and now we will create get is item already in cart JavaScript selector. In this video I will answer most important interview question asked for lead or NGRX developers role. So therefore do not miss this video and watch till the end. In our agenda, first we will create get is item already in cart selector. Next we will learn how to compose multiple selectors in JavaScript. I will demo you the code as well. Now let's see why we need this selector. Notice view in cart and add to cart buttons. Let's see the demo. When I click add to cart, then notice the button changes to view in cart. This is the behavior we want to achieve. Is item already in cart selector takes product ID and queries on cart store. If result is true, then view in cart button will be displayed, otherwise add to cart button will be displayed. Let's review our architecture. Did you know 90% of interview questions are asked how to combine multiple selectors? We have one selector get cart items that takes cart state and returns all of the cart items. Next, we need a filter function that takes the all cart items and returns the desired cart item present or not. Finally, we want to build the compose selector that takes the cart state and returns the desired cart item present or not. Can you guess how do we create this compose selector? Hi viewers, it's me Rupesh and I appreciate that you want to learn Mean.js seriously. So I want to congratulate you first for your determination. If you want to learn more from me, I highly encourage you to enroll my JavaScript courses in Full Stack Master School. You can watch this entire course and many JavaScript in-depth courses as many times as you want. You can watch your favorite courses online or offline. Mobile iOS app and Android phone for on-the-go learning. The course comes with plenty of hands-on coding and many interview questions answered with practical industry standard solution. In case you are interested, the link is in the video description below. Have a great day and I am very excited to teach you in Full Stack Master School. See you there. Now let me run the npm test. And congratulations, our tests are running and we have successfully created get is item already in cart selector. Let me know your feedback or comments. So stay tuned. In our next video we will be consuming the selector and that will enable us to toggle the view in cart button. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, happy coding and be happy.